So this is my Briggs & Stratton model WI, and it has an aluminum shroud on it, which I polished up so you can see it, because the aluminum shrouds are actually pretty uncommon on these older Briggs. There's a few that I've seen on Model Ns and the WIs, and I happen to have one sitting in my basement, and I used it for parts at first because I didn't know what it was. And I ended up taking the original gas tank and put it on a Model Y. But I ended up going to an auction and getting a new engine and got a gas tank off of that, and I started restoring it. And you can see I got a brand new decal for the front of it, and I went with the gold accents on everything with the bolts and the lid for the filter and all that. And I used this heat resistant and chemical resistant paint. It's also abrasion resistant. It's really an all-in-one package, and it worked great, and the gas doesn't do anything to it when it spills out of the top, because that's the problem with these older gas tanks. But took the crank out, sandblasted everything, rehoned the cylinder, and it runs great now. And I've got this AC spark plug on top too, and I gave it a new muffler. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. And I gave it this base from an old board. But here's the tag here. And you can tell it's a newer WI because it has this aluminum tag. The older ones would have a brass tag on the side of the shroud right here. Usually there'd be one. But this one has this, and I think it's a 1947, I'm not sure, but maybe you guys in the comments section can tell me. But I think it's 47. Anyways, let's start her up. Alright, so I got the rope wrapped around here already. Might take a few pulls, get some gas up in there. This line doesn't catch fuel as well as it should. But I think here's the choke. That's choked. Do it again. One more time. And choke it a little bit. This is a cold start. It's pretty chilly outside right now.